of the autumn and the spring. Look at the headdress of the female. It is a little bit symbolizing the spring, which means life. And for the male counterpart of the female, it is a little bit of the autumn or the fall. Wow, interesting. A little bit scary. Thank you so much, Bea Denise Reyes and Clyde Yuan Alcantara. And now,